Asingeneni hot topic yethu namhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I am a married woman with one child based in Harare. I went to a university outside Harare. My parents managed to pay for 2 semesters. After that, they couldn't afford. My dad was involved in an accident that left him in a wheelchair. My mother almost lost it. She was depressed, and our lives took a turn for the worst. My friend from uni was aware of my situation, and she introduced me to an elderly man who offered to help pay my tuition. She told me if I play it right, I can get away with eating his money without having to do anything for him. Most girls have graduated this way. I was desperate, so I played along. We would go out and spend time with this guy. He never asked for any sexual favors in return. My mother knew, you know what they say, mothers always know. She knew I was up to no good the moment I told her I'm not quitting school. She asked me where I'm getting the money, and I told her ndirikushanda. She asked me 101 questions that I couldn't exactly answer. She begged me not to go ahead with the life I was choosing. But I desperately wanted a degree and thought I could just get his money without giving myself to him, like my friend said. In my final year, I started avoiding him after he asked me to spend the weekend at a resort, just the 2 of us. This was the first time achikumbira some private time with me in a closed space. I started making excuses to avoid meeting him until ndakumugosta kusvika ndapedza. I came back to Harare. I graduated and got married later that year to my real boyfriend. This meant a new beginning for me. I had changed my contact number and thought it's all in the past. So last year in December, I received a call from an unknown contact one evening, and I was shocked to hear that old madala ndakapindwa nechando. I was with my husband that time, so I just listened to what he wanted. He requested for us to meet, and I cut the phone. That friend of mine had given him my number, obviously, because she would connect a lot of girls with this man in uni. I spoke to her, and she swore to me that she was not responsible. Last month after work, I saw him mu car park. He walked to my car and he said, "Hi, une chikweret changu. Ndakaita kunge ndaona chipoko." I told him that I'm married, and he said, "Me too." Ndakupinda mumota akandibata mu waist aggressively, demanding that I give him attention. I wanted to scream, but it wasn't a wise thing to do. I opened my door and drove off. I was sweating, my heart beating fast. KVG, I have no one to talk to. My hot topic is, after this incident, I feel like I'm being followed or watched. He calls my phone in the evening, knowing very well I'm with my husband. So now I switch off my phone when I get home. It seems he has numerous numbers. Anoshandisa kufona ndanzone kublock this man. Changing my phone number will be a red flag to my husband. Besides, it's better to know his next move since he knows Babasapango. Guys, I have exhausted all the options. Ndakundikana. My husband is my best friend. I really want to tell him what I'm going through, but I'm ashamed and worried that he will leave me the very minute he learns about my past. He admires the fact that I have a degree. The only option is to tell my mother, but she will give me the "I told you so" lecture. Going to the police to report will expose me. I fear for my life and my family. Ndoita save dare, please help me and hide my ID. Your hot topic here namhlanje.
At Inbox, we say hashtag the future of money. Reactions on our WhatsApp platform coming in fast and furious. Now remember, you can also send through a voice note or call in on 0772-162-651. Hot topic yedu ya nasi, muruguzwona say. I'll read out some of the messages before we open up the phone lines. This one says, all I can say is Musa jige mari dzevanu. Akuna chemagara. This one coming in says, you should give that man what he wants, nyaya ipere. This one coming in says, hi KVG, hi Saki. The truth will always come out. Pakupedzisira. This one says, mudzosere mari yake if you can afford. This one says, I think she needs to come clean to the husband before it's too late. This one says, zvinhu zvinoitwa nevakadzi zvakawanda asi apa ndapererwa. Someone also coming in says she must hear the old men out kuti ari kudei and make a plan moving forward. Avoiding him is not the best way to go about it. This one says miromo yavakuru haiwire pasi. Now you're even afraid to have this conversation with your own mother. You must be ashamed. This one coming in as well says system tazvida akati. Wakazviparira wega. Thank you so much, Big Joe, for that one. He hashtagged that one. 0772162651. Action lines are open. Feel free to connect with us. It is our hot topic powered by our friends from Inbox, where we say hashtag the future of money. Messages also coming in your side, Saki.
Yes, Hanzi, hi my Jesus. Sister wakadya restaurant singaitwe zvekusukwa ma plates. Akai gochera pautsi and hi girl. Mosha Hairovi, I lost that one. Hanzi, she must get courage and talk to the husband because he shall come out anyway. And then someone says Chawaka Jiga Chamuka. And here is a message. Firstly, she is lying. There is no way she didn't get intimate with this guy. Secondly, at least she did something meaningful by getting her degree. Thirdly, the best move here is to just come out to your husband. Although I don't condone infidelity, but the other option is to look for the wife and blackmail